Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll be learning how to make an envelope sleeve. You can also call it an origami sleeve. It is very simple and easy to make. So we are going to be using a sleeve pattern. I already have a sleeve pattern. Go ahead and use yours, whatever sleeve pattern you know how to draft. I'm going to be using it now because I'm making this dress for myself. So you go ahead to measure where you want the length of your sleeve to get to. Now because it is a short sleeve, I'm actually going to be doing 9 inches. Then I'll be adding a band of 1.5 inches to it. Then the pattern already comes with a 1 inch sewing allowance. Now you can use whatever sleeve pattern that you have if you know how to draft the sleeve already. So just go ahead and draft your sleeve and the length, and that is it. So this is it after cutting it, and I'm going to be using the part that does not have marker so that there won't be too many lines. I went ahead to rule the middle line. Now from the middle line on the upper part, I'm going to be marking 4.5 inches. Yeah, 4.5. You can do 4 or 4.5. I did 4.5 inches. Then I also mark 4.5 inches on the other side. Then towards the hem where you see my tape touching, I mark 2 inches on both sides. After that, I'm now going to be ruling it. Is it horizontally or diagonally? So just how you see my ruler touching, place it like that and roll it like you're crossing it over on each other. Then I'm going to be slashing it. So you can either do either or both sides. So I'm going to be slashing from this other end. I will slash it to the upper part, but I'm not going to cut through. Just leave like 0.25. Then I'll slash the other side. Can you see it? After slashing, then I'm going to just write, because that is my left hand side, I'm going to write left on it. Then I'll be cutting it off because I want to duplicate it. I want it to be 2 so that I can gum it on both sides. So this is me taking another paper and I'm just cutting the exact shape. I also went ahead to roll the middle line. Yeah. Now I'm going to place it. I'll take the left back to the initial position. Then I'm going to take the other one too, so that both can be complete. So I take my masking tape and I'm going to gum. Now I gum it on the back side because I don't want too many tape on this, because I'm still going to hold some parts with my tape. So after taking a paper, you place it on it. Then I went ahead to use my tape to just hold all the points that I needed to hold down. So can you see it? Then I'm going to roll the middle line. I'll just extend that middle line downward. After that, I'm going to mark 3.5 inches on both sides. Yeah, so I mark 3.5 inches on both sides and I use my tape to hold it down. Then I'm going to just cut off the paper like that. I would open the other side like that and I'm going to cut. And I'm also going to cut the other side and I'm going to cut the upper part, the shape. So our origami sleeve is almost ready. Envelope, you can call it a pocket sleeve or envelope sleeve. Now this is how you're going to place it. You're going to just form a crease line the way you see me forming a crease line. You are going to move it to the original position, following your lines. Let it meet that part. Yeah, let it meet the slash line. Can you see it? Then you take the other one. You're also going to use your hand to just form a crease line, and you're going to place it on the other one. So when you do that, you are bringing the sleeve back to its original position. Then just cut off the excess, leaving like some inches below. Don't cut it on the exact line. So when you fold, you see that that part is folded. Just also cut that one that you see me cutting out, just cut it out a little, then you open it. So when you open your sleeve, you have this shape. Now I'm going to be cutting it on my fabric. I'm going to use navy blue and this hot pink because I want two sleeve, like two colors of the same sleeve on my dress. I'm actually making a dart manipulated dress. So cut out your shape, and you have and it's giving you something like this. Can you see it? So like I said, I'm cutting out two colors, so I'm going to place it on the other one and cut. So I've gone ahead to do that. Now I'm going to take my pattern paper and place it on the pink one, and I went ahead to pin everything down just to secure it. So I'm going to still fold the way I folded it. So I'm going to fold it now because I want to iron it, because you need to press it very well before you can, so that you have your shape, the folded shape. So I also pin this, I also fold it, and I pin, then I'll take it to my ironing table and give it a very good press. So after pressing it, guys, this is how it is, and I remove my pins. Then I also remove the paper. So when I remove the paper, can you see our shape? So you bring it back, and this is how your sleeve is going to be. When I open it up, I'm just showing you guys. So the folded part will still be folded inward, that small folded part. Then you just run a stitch just to secure that part. After that, I cut out 3 inches band, folded into two is going to give me 1.5, but I gum it first. I'll gum it with an interfacing, then I'll just fold it on the other side and sew with the 1 inch sewing allowance, and I'm going to fix it to my dress. So this is the blue one. I'm just showing you guys the same process that I did. Now I'm going to show you the dress. So after doing that, this is how it is. I'll also repeat the same thing. I'll sew, and this is my dress, guys. Now this is the pocket sleeve or envelope sleeve on my dress. It is looking beautiful. This kind of designs just make your dress not to be a regular dress. I wanted a small sleeve, but I said no, let's do something else. Let's give it, let's make it classy. So guys, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. This is the inside. It is very neat, and kindly like this video, share it, subscribe if you haven't done so, on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, guys, it is very important, and drop a comment for me. So this is it, guys. It is beautiful. This is my that manipulated or colored dress. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.